So, previous class, just before we discussed about full backup and differential backup restore. Now, you want to go for T-log backup restoration, okay? And we'll go for different scenario restorations. So here, if I want to go for the T-log backups, what I need to do, I have to go for continuously series of log backup restoration. I cannot skip for the middle of the log backup. Suppose previously what I discussed, we want to go for the point in time restore. That is Friday 11 a.m. So for that, what we need to do? We need to go for Sunday full backup and Thursday differential at 10 p.m. After that, what are the log backups? We have to restore. So here, from Thursday 10 p.m. to 11 a.m., we have almost 13 log backups. So here, I cannot directly go for last log backup to restore. So we have to restore from all the log backups which was happened after Thursday differential. That means I have to go for 11 p.m. Thursday full log backup. I have to go for Friday 12 a.m. log backup. I have to go for 1 a.m. Friday log backup, and I have to go for Friday 2 a.m. Like that, I have to go all log backups until 11 a.m. Suppose if I want to skip any log backups, we will get the error like try to restore previous log backup, then only go for other backups restore. We'll get error like a LSN mismatch. Try to restore previous log backup, that LSN will get the error. So now what I'm going to do? Right now we have taken Sunday full backup, Tuesday differential, Monday differential, Tuesday differential. So I'm going to take a log backup. We can consider as those log backups as like a, our requirement. So I'm going to take 5 log backups. Then I will try to restore full backup and differential and log backups all, and we will try to skip few log backups, and we'll see what error we are getting. So each and every log backup we can enter some data. So right now here we have a database called like Adilab. I'm going to enter some data. Go for tables, then go for validation, go for edit. So here I'm going for like think like our requirement is like a Friday 11 a.m. right? So I'm going for like the value number 95 T log 95 T log. Just I'm entering, okay. Uh, that is the value, not for the backup numbers. Just I'm entering the values. I save it. I'm going to take it or the log backup. So where I want to take it. Let me close this one. So here I have already taken full backup, differential backups. Now I'm going to take log backup. Backup, log, database name, Adi, lab to disk equal to path. So here, see the difference keyword, backup, database name, full backup, differential, backup, database name. The keyword is with differential, but the log backup, log, database name to disk equal to path. Slash Adilab T log 1 dot Got ERM with compression. If you want to give or no rate compression, give stats. If you want to give or else no rate, just on the log backup. Execute. The log backup is completed. So now I want to restore this log backup. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to restore latest full and latest differential, and after latest differential, I'm going to restore the log backup. Okay. If I go here, I'm going to restore the full backup. I'm not going to for graphical user interface. I already generated the script, the same as like a full backup. The full backup I'm going to restore with the backup with no recovery. Database restoring. And here I'm skipping the differential backup as I discussed. Now I'm going to restore the Tuesday differential backup, but this time I'm not going to bring the database online. I'm going to keep the database with no recovery. Database restore. Sorry, comma, no recovery, comma, star equal to 1. So that means I have backups. I need to keep the database restoring mode. Here maybe I can go for differential backup. I maybe go for log backup as well. But here after choose the differential, I have a log backup. I want to restore. Here I don't have further differential. So I will restore only log backup. Let me restore log differential backup. Suppose if you keep forget to give no recovery, what will happen? Database will come online. We cannot restore the log backup. So we kept the no recovery. Then we'll see the database status. Database is still restoring mode. I want to restore the log backup which we performed. So the syntax is like I have to go for restore, then I have to go for log, then I have to go for database name, then same where the backup is located. Go for restore log from disk equal to path. Come here, take this one, keep it here, then go here, then give the file of the name which we took. Just we took the here. Go for rename. Just copy it. Come here. So okay. Then here I'm not going to give any with no recovery. I'm going to take the database online with stats equal to 1. So database restored. Come here, check it. Already develop. Just run the command. Select star from database. Yeah. So data came. So now what I'm going to do? I'm to take one more log backup. Before that, I'm entering the data. Okay. So come here. I'm going to enter the one more value in the production database. What is Adilab? Come here. Go for table. Go for Adi validation. Go for edit rows. Then enter the one more data. 96. 96 log. That is the data. Okay, not the log backup. So save it. Let's perform one more log backup. I will give for 2. I took the log backup. Now I want to restore this log backups. Okay. So for that, I need to restore latest full backup. Come here. Database no recovery. So if you forgot to keep no recovery or waste of time, waste way, because sometimes in the actual migration project, we want to restore 1 TB database prior to the change window. If you forgot to keep with no recovery, the database will go for online. Then we cannot restore further database. That will give a lot of escalations, and we have to extend our change window. So we have to be careful. If you want to go for any further backups, we have to keep no recovery. Then go for a database. Here what I'm going to do, I'm going to skip the Monday differential. I'm going to restore the Tuesday differential with no recovery. Let it complete. Refresh it. Database restoring mode. So I want to restore the log backup. Restore log. Disk equal to path. Come here. Then give the file name, name of the backup file name. Come here. Rename. Come here. Come here. So we get the starts equal to. So here I will try to restore the second log backup and see. As per our theory, it has to throw the error and it has to tell the error number like restore the previous log backup. So here I'm skipping the log backup which was happened on the differential. I'm directly going for the second log backup. If I going for second log backup, we'll get the error. Try to restore previous log backup. If I go for here, run it. See it. So the log in this log backup begins this one, which is too recent to apply the database. And earlier log backup in the includes LSN number. That means previous we have a backup. Please do and restore. Then only this log backup will restore. Why? Because the log backups are not incremental. Okay, the log backups are independent. So if you want to go for all the log backup, we have to go for series of the log backups. We don't need to miss skip the log backups. We have to restore all the log backups in the sequence. So that is the reason we have to restore all the log backups. See what I'm going to do with the stats equal to 1, comma, with no record. Already it is given it. So I'm going to restore the previous log backup with no recovery. Why? Because I need to restore another log backup. Just go and execute. So log backup execute, then refresh it, go for here, still database in restoring stored. So now I'll go for further log backup. Then I'll go and execute. So it's executed successfully. Previously we got the error because it is pointing to the other log backup to restore. Once we restored, it allowed to the restore the series of the next number. So just go here, go for refresh, then go here. So database came online. Just check the data is came or not. Select star from validation. See, data came right. So that is the differential. So for a differential backup, no need to go for all the differential. We have to go for latest differential. But log backup, if you want to go, you can go and restore all the log backups which is happening the latest differential. So you got a one confusion. So suppose I have a Sunday full backup. The log backup happened 11 p.m. right? Do I need to restore 11 p.m. log backup? Here, no need. Why? Because go for Sunday full backup, then go for Friday differential, Thursday differential, then go for log backups. No need to go for previous log backups, which was happened on the latest differential. We have to go for latest differential, the log backups. Suppose here one more scenario. The scenario is like I have a issue. Like I have a suppose I want to restore Friday 11 a.m. the data. Okay. Here, as per the theory, what I need to do? I have to go for Sunday full backup. Sunday full backup. Then I have to go for Thursday differential backup. Then after that, after the diff Thurs restore all logs sequentially. Okay, sequentially. Here after the log, after the Thursday, after the Thursday differential. Restore all. Here I have a issue. What was happened? My Thursday differential backup got corrupted. So in this scenario, what we need to do? Here, what we need to do? Go for Sunday full, then go for Wednesday diff, then go for after Wednesday diff, restore all the logs sequence. Why? Because our Thursday backup is different, corrupted. So that is the reason we have to go for Wednesday differential. Then we have to go for after differential. What are the log backups we have? We have to restore all the log backups. So in this scenario, how many it will come? 13 plus 24, almost 35 log backups we have to restore. And suppose I restore the full backup and I try to restore differential backup as well. The differential backup also corrupted. But I need to restore the data up to Friday 11 a.m. Suppose corrupted. Then what I need to do? I have to go for Sunday full. Then I have to go for Tuesday diff. After that, what I need to do? What are the logs? Logs happen from Tuesday. If we have to restore, that means how many it will come? Almost 34 plus 24, almost 58 logs we need to restore. Why? Because we are restoring from Tuesday differential. So here my all differential backup got corrupted. So Tuesday also corrupted, Monday also corrupted. Then what I need to do? I have to restore Sunday full backup. Then I have to start from after full. What are the log backups we have? So that means Sunday 11 p.m. T log with no recovery. Here also full backup with no recovery. Then here also we have to go for no recovery. No recovery. Then go continue all the series up to Friday 11 a.m. log backups. The last log backup you have to go for with no recovery. Here restore log database name from this equal to path. Then provide the Friday 10 a.m. 10 a.m. dot TRN log backup with no recovery. Then we have to come here Friday 11 a.m. log backup with recovery. Here we are not restoring any differential. Why? Because all differential backup corrupted, or maybe somebody deleted the differential backup. So that is the reason the interview will ask the twist. They will ask like, my differential backup got corrupted. Then what we can do? They will ask, my entire differential backup corrupted. What you will do? So the base backup is full backup. If you have the full backup, you can start from the full backup to what are the logs we have happened. We have to restore all the log backups. Here suppose my full backup is corrupted. Then we cannot do anything. Entire the data will be lost. Okay. So that is the reason full backup is mandatory. We have to very careful full backup. And the thing is like suppose here from Sunday 11 p.m. to Friday 11 a.m. all the log backups should be accurate. There is no corruption. In between any log backup corrupted, what will happen? Until that log backup corrupted, we are able to restore. Okay. So that is the reason the log backups will follow the sequence from the full backup and log backup, and also it will follow the latest differential. And the full backup, it will follow the only full backup LSN number. And differential backup will follow the base number for the full backup, but differential backup are incremental or cumulative. So every interview will ask the scenario called like, my database is available until Thursday 11 a.m. How can you recover the database? So here what we need to answer, we have to go for latest full backup which is available, then restore the full backup with no recovery, then go for the latest differential which is available Wednesday, then go for restore the differential with no recovery, then go for the all the log backups which is available from latest differential to database unavailable time. Restore all the log backups with no recovery and restore the last log backup with recovery. We have to tell the event, as I mentioned, interview go for twist. My log backup is corrupted, my differential backup is corrupted, my full backup is corrupted. How can we recover? So we have to listen carefully and you have to give the proper answers, because backup and restore very critical to maintain the customer data. For if something goes wrong, a disaster, suppose if someone is deleted the data, then how can we recover? Suppose like the scenario, Friday, uh, 9 a.m. somebody deleted the data, one table. Okay. The customer noticed that Friday, 12 p.m. So here, how can we bring that particular table? So in this scenario, what we can do? Restore the full backup, latest full backup to different database, not for the same database. Then go for the latest differential. Then go for the all the log backups which are deleted at that time. Once we restore the log backups, the table will be available, right? So once the table is available, go and import from restored database to our source database. So don't go for the same database, because the customer looking for the one table that was deleted by mistakenly. So for that, we have to restore the backup until like at what time they deleted. We have to go for that particular log backup time, restore into the different database, then import it. The restoring may be the same server with different name. Then once the table is restored, then import. How can we import? Come here, right click, table. Task. Then I have to go here. Go for a database, then go for a task, then go for, I'm going for exported. Suppose export, import. Export means export, not here. Come here. Import. Where is the import? Task. Let me stop recording here. I can show here one more topic, so that people will go for a long, not longer video. I have to stop recording. Wait the recording. Let me go here. Stop recording.